Welcome back to Boarding Gate 28. Today, we are unlocking one of Europe's best-kept secrets, a country where pristine Mediterranean beaches meet dramatic mountain peaks, and where your travel budget goes twice as far. Forget the crowded streets of Italy or the overpriced resorts of Greece. Today, we are diving into Albania, the ultimate hidden gem of Europe. For centuries, Albania sat at the crossroads of empires. Today, that history shines through in its deeply multicultural soul. Walking through the capital, Tirana, or the historic streets of Berat, you will see Ottoman architecture, Roman ruins, and Italian-inspired plazas. But the real magic is the harmony. Albania is world-renowned for its religious tolerance and hospitality. Locals treat travelers like family, offering a warm welcome that money simply cannot buy. Now, let's talk about paradise. Think you need to fly to the Caribbean for turquoise waters and white sand? Think again. The Albanian Riviera is home to stunning coastal towns like Saranda and Ksamil. In Ksamil, you can swim or kayak to 3 small, uninhabited islands surrounded by emerald water. It looks exactly like the Maldives, but without the luxury price tag. And that brings us to Albania's superpower. It is incredibly inexpensive. While the rest of Europe faces soaring travel costs, Albania remains a budget traveler's dream. You can sit down for a fresh seafood dinner by the sea, enjoy a glass of local wine, and pay less than $15. Boutique hotels, public transit, and museum entries are just a fraction of what you would pay elsewhere in the Mediterranean. But Albania isn't just attracting backpackers and beach lovers anymore. Recently, it has exploded as a premier destination for medical tourism, especially for top-tier dental care. Thousands of travelers from the US, UK, Canada, and Western Europe are flying into Tirana to get dental implants and cosmetic treatments. Why? Because the savings are massive. Dental implants in Albania can cost up to 70% less than in Western countries. I'm speaking from personal experience here. I recently had an all-on-4 dental implant procedure done in Albania. In North America, a full mouth restoration like this can easily cost you between $40,000 and $60,000. Here in Albania, I paid just 8,000 euros. That is a staggering difference for the exact same high-quality treatment. Many clinics here use premium materials like zirconia and state-of-the-art 3D CBCT planning to ensure a perfect fit. But don't let the low price fool you. Albanian clinics are state-of-the-art, utilizing the exact same high-quality materials. The clinics use EU-certified technology found in London or New York. Plus, the dentists are highly trained, often speaking fluent English. You can literally fly in, get a brand new smile, enjoy a luxury vacation, and still save thousands of dollars. From its rich multicultural heritage to its world-class dental tourism, Albania truly has it all. It won't stay a secret forever, so pack your bags before the rest of the world catches on. Thanks for checking in at Boarding Gate 28. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hidden travel gems. Would you visit Albania for a beach holiday or a dental tune-up? Comment below. Until next time, happy travels.